In this video, I'm going to show you how to close all tabs on iPhone. So I assume that we're talking about how you can close all your Safari tabs. So if you have tens or hundreds of Safari tabs and you want to learn how to close it, let me add one or two to this Safari tab, and you want to close it, then how do you close this Safari tab? So instead of you closing the Safari tab one after the other, what are the steps that you can use to close these Safari tabs once and for all? There is a no-go to do in closing all the entire Safari tabs once and for all. All you need to do is you need to close the Safari tab one after the other. And here is how you can easily close tabs on your iPhone. So let's say you are using Safari or any other browser, whether it is Safari or Chrome. So it doesn't matter, whichever browser you're using on your iPhone, you can use these techniques to close the browser, to close the tabs. And here is how. On the Safari browser, all you need to do is open Safari. Click on this tabs icon at the bottom right. Once you click on that, there is a star icon at the top of all the tabs you open. All you need is just keep tapping on the star icon. This is the close button, and all the tabs will be closed. The same thing is applicable to your Chrome browser. To close all tabs on Chrome browser on your iPhone, you need to do is click on this tab number, this. Once you click on that, then tap this to close all the tab opens on your Chrome browser. So this is how to close all tabs on iPhone. There's no direct way to close all tabs at once as the time of recording this video. Guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit like, and of course you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.